What's going on, champions? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be dropping some real gems, some hidden gems when it comes to jobs and career paths that no one is talking about. A lot of people are not aware that you can make a lot of money without even going to college. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what no one, or career paths that no one is talking about when it comes to what you can do from home. So if you are looking for a job that you can do without leaving the comfort of your home, so aka work from home jobs, aka remote jobs, you are at the right spot. Not only do you do these jobs from the comfort of your home, but you do not need to rack up student loan debt in order for you to get into these fields. And some of these fields will pay you as much as 6 figures over time, right? So there's a lot of income potential or earning potential when it comes to these fields that I mentioned. And of course, it boils down to how good you are and how good and how willing you are to buckle down and learn these trades or learn these career paths, right? So we're going to be talking about these, and all I need from you is grab your notes, grab your coffee, grab your tea, and your pen and paper, and just take good notes, because I'm going to be dropping a few things that a lot of people are hiding away from you. In fact, some people are charging for things like this, right? For nuggets like this, for gems like this. So you're in for a treat today. I'm just feeling happy, and I'm going to share this with you. All I'm asking you to do right now, in addition to taking notes, is give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, you are really missing out. So give this video a thumbs up to help other people find this information quicker. A lot of people deserve to know exactly what to do to put themselves in a position to win financially. So let's jump right into it. The very first one that I'm going to be sharing with you today is medical billing and coding. And I'm not talking about tech jobs. Just to be clear, I'm not talking about, there's a ton of tech jobs that requires you to know how to program and all of that stuff. That's for a different video. In today's video, anybody who is willing can find one of these options to jump into today and start making a living for themselves. At least $40,000. So if you want to make at least $40,000 a year working from home and up to 6 figures, this is the video for you. So the very first one is medical coding. When it comes to medical coding, I'm sure most people have seen a hospital bill before. Or if you haven't seen one before, let's just put it this way. When you go to the doctor, you get a bill in the mail, and that bill contains the services that have been categorized based on what the medical coders put on the bill. So based off of your doctor's visit or your hospital visit, you're going to get a bill, and that bill is put together, is coded by medical billing and billers and coders, right? So this is not programming or any of that sort, like I said before. And this is something, according to what you can see on the screen right now, post-secondary education is not required. So you do not need a 4-year degree. You do not need to get yourself into debt to get into this career path. A lot of people are graduating with so much student loan debt, and you do not need to get yourself wrapped up in student loan debt. So post-secondary education or college education is not required, although it is helpful. But we can talk about this real quick. Let's talk about how much money you can make, right? According to this report, as you can see, with no college degree, right here, no college degree, you can make over $50,000, over 50K a year, right? Now, if you have some college degree, if you have a master's degree, you're going to see yourself making a little under 70K and above 60K. But without a college degree, you're going to be making over $50,000. And this is crazy. On average, the per hour wages is $25.12 per hour. So that's what you're going to be making as a medical billing and coding assistant or specialist. So let's get into what you need to get into this. All you need is some certification. So you can get certified, right? You can get some certifications within this field. And I'm gonna list some of these certifications right here according to what you can see on the screen from the AAPC. So it lists some of the certifications that can get you into this field and the median salary. So the middle salary, the salary end by the 50th percentile. So most people, half of the people in this field, in the middle, if you draw a line in the middle, this is what you're going to get. So with the basic certification, the first certification, which is called the Certified Professional Biller, you can get up to 56,000 or around $56,600. That should be something you should expect if you get the first certification. However, if you scale up, if you keep getting your credentials and you get to the pro status, you get to the Certified Professional Compliance Specialist or Officer, you're going to be getting somewhere around $80,000 or $80,500, right? So this is a very, very lucrative field if you are willing to get the certification and you do not need a college degree. Let's just put that right. You do not need a college degree to get into this field, and you can do this from the comfort of your home. Now, the next one is bookkeeping. For those of you who love numbers, if you love numbers, you can also get a certification and you can become a bookkeeper. So, this is just something that most people are not being told. Some people are being told, hey, go to college, rack up debt, and they come out not knowing what to do. And they end up, confused and in debt. So if you want to get away from this and you want to work from the comfort of your home, there are so many other things out there that you could be doing, and bookkeeping is one of them. So there's a course right here from Coursera. I'm not promoting any course. I don't have any course. I'm not sponsored by any of these courses, just to be clear, but I'm just bringing you helpful information to help you win financially. We need more people winning, especially during these tough periods, right? So you can get into bookkeeping, and the average pay, the median pay for bookkeepers, according to salary.com, is $45,567 a year. And on the top level, you could earn up to $56,000 a year being a bookkeeper. So this is something you should think about if you really love the numbers and you really like some type of accounting. If running the numbers makes you tick, if that's your jam, you should really consider this line. And then the other thing that we're gonna talk about here now, we're getting into the higher paying stuff, right? Is mortgage underwriting. So this is number 3. If you really want to make some money, I'm talking some real money with bonuses right now, up to 6 figures, right? Mortgage underwriting is a hidden gem that most people are not aware of. Now, you may have to work your way up, but you do not need a college degree, and you can do this from the comfort of your home. You just have to get certified. That's all you need to do. In fact, right here, it's saying, look, why do you need an underwriter certification? It is important to get certified because it has become increasingly valuable for mortgage professionals. So the certification will help you land a job quicker and also help you command a higher pay. So these are some hidden things that you need to get into. Now, bear in mind that when it comes to mortgage underwriting, experience plays a big role. So you might have to start out from the lower level, the processor, and you might start off as a mortgage loan processor, and you might work your way up to being an underwriter. But you can do this without having a college degree. So if you've worked in the banking industry before, this would be good for you. If you've been a bank teller, if you're interested in mortgages, this would be very good for you as well. So let's jump into the next one. Okay, before we jump into it, just take a look at the average base salary according to Indeed. The average base salary for mortgage underwriters in the United States is $100,352. So 6 figures right there on average. For those of you who are high performers who get in here and you're killing it, this is exactly what you should expect when it comes to the pay. So let's go right into the next one. The next one here is a property claims adjuster. So insurance claims adjuster. If you get into this field, according to this report, you're really going to see an average salary of around $61,000 a year, or $29 per hour, and you do not need a college degree to get into this space. Now you're definitely gonna have to take some courses, online courses or whatever, physical courses from your local college, from your local institutions or colleges. But this is not a college degree, right? This is just a certification that you will likely have to take, or you have to go and get some training, on the job training from someone who is already in this field. So this is a space that most people are shying away from, and you need to understand these spaces will pay you very good income for not having a college degree. Right now, let's get into the next one right here, and you can do it from home. That's the big thing, you can do it from home. So according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, insurance underwriters make around $77,300 a year, right? This is for the specialists. Actually $76,309. So over $76,000, a little over $76,000 a year being an insurance underwriter. So this kind of goes hand in hand with the mortgage underwriter. But I've got a big one here. I've got one that is going to blow your mind, right? And this is a project management position. Now, the certification that will help you break into this profession alongside your experience, for those of you who have worked in retail, or those of you who have worked in construction, you've done some of these jobs. You've been a journeyman, you've been a foreman, you've done some things in the past, and now you're wanting something that will shoot you up and get into the space where you can increase your earning power without having to go to college. So this one is a little bit tricky, right? Because it does require some years of experience for you to start, for you to even get certified and start making this kind of money. So according to the PMI, right, the PMP certification is something that can help boost your pay when it comes to project management. So you're looking at a 4-year degree traditionally to get into this, and 3 years of experience managing or leading projects. But if you do not have a college degree, we're talking about a high school diploma, you need 60 months leading projects. So you need to demonstrate that you have 60 months or 5 years experience leading projects. But here's the catch, right? The pay for this certification alongside your experience ranges from $103,000 to $130,000. So 1 to 5 years of experience with this certification could land you $103,000 right off the bat. Now, if you have 5 to 10 years experience, you're looking at roughly $120,000. And over 10 years of experience, you're talking about $130,000 with this certification. So the PMP certification, you're gonna have to sit through the exam, and once you pass it, you get licensed, or you get the credential, or you get qualified to put the PMP initials behind your name, or the PMP, right? Once you put that certification behind your name, look, it opens up a lot of doors for you. So I hope you've gained some insight from this video. We've talked about a few things. So make sure you go back, rewind the video, make sure you're looking at your notes, and you're sharing this video with other people. People deserve to know exactly which career paths can help them win financially and also help them provide maximum value to the society, or maybe not maximum value, a lot of value to the society without racking up college debt. So if you've gained some insight, again, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with other people. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe. Thank you for watching, and keep winning.